Good morning, and thank you for joining us. Let's start today's technical analysis with the Australian dollar and the US dollar pair and the recent events stirring the markets. Greg?
The Aussie got a slight bump of 0.1% against the dollar in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The last session saw Google's stock gain 1.2%. The Williams indicator indicates an overbought market. The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The pound-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The MACD's negative signal contradicts our overall technical analysis.
Moving on to world financial news.
The dollar was broadly steady near a 6-week high as investors await GDP and other data this week for clues as to where US rates might be headed, while the euro was soft before a European Central Bank policy meeting. European chipmaker ST Microelectronic forecast an over 15% drop in first quarter revenue after its sales missed estimates in the fourth quarter on softer automotive growth and a further decline in orders from the industrial sector. Oil prices rose after data showed US crude stockpiles fell more than expected last week, while the Chinese central bank's cut-in-banks reserve ratio reinforced hopes of more stimulus measures and economic recovery.
Thank you. Coming up, our chief analyst review of today's most interesting economic events.
The US personal spending will be released at 13:30 GMT, Japan's leading economic index at 0500 hours GMT, the US personal income at 13:30 GMT. The UK's CFTC GBP NC net positions will be released at 20:30 GMT, Japan's coincident index at 0500 hours GMT, Germany's GfK Consumer Confidence Survey at 0700 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.